welcome back to Haplast, where customer satisfaction is our top priority. In today's video, we will address another common concern of our international clients, the fear of receiving products that don't meet the expectations regarding design, quantity, and quality. International clients often worry about the final product not aligning with the approved designs. And at Haplast, we understand how crucial it is for customer products to match the agreed upon specifications. That's why, before we proceed with mass production, we always create samples for our clients to review and approve. This ensures that clients have full control over the design and can make any necessary adjustments before we start producing in large quantities. Now, let's talk about the production phase. We recognize the importance of keeping our clients informed about the progress and quality of their orders. Our team captures images and videos throughout the production process, providing clients with real-time updates. This allows clients to witness the quality control measures we implement to meet customers' expectations. We go the extra mile by sharing visual documentation, keeping clients in the loop about the production timeline and the quality of the products. Communication is key. At Haplast, we encourage our clients to follow up directly with our factory regarding their orders. Customer peace of mind is our priority. By facilitating direct communication, we ensure that customer concerns are addressed quickly. We are committed to pre-production samples, real-time updates, and direct communication channels. We strive to build a relationship of trust with every customer.